Attention, attention, attention.
You are watching the Blue Eagles WXR channel.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cameron Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, eastern Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, south central LN Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:16 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Carlisle, or 7 miles south of Sulphur, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Sulphur around 3:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lake Charles and Lake Charles Regional Airport around 3:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. West Lake around 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Moss Bluff around 3:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Iowa and Lebanon Settlement around 3:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Fairton and Buller around 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lackison. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for eastern Calcasieu, northwestern Jefferson Davis, and south central LN parishes. Tornado emergency for Lake Charles. At 3:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Lake Charles, moving northeast at 60 miles. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Calcasieu Parish Office of Emergency Preparedness. There is an active hazmat alert at a local UPRR train yard in Lake Charles. A large and destructive tornado has went through the area and has overturned rail cars containing hazardous materials, including liquefied petroleum gas and propylene. An evacuation order has been issued for the surrounding 2-mile radius from the rail yard due to a fire and the potential of an explosion. A note to motorists: the following highways will be closed. Interstate 10 between exits 29 to 34 eastbound and westbound. To evacuate, take exit 10 on Interstate 210 southbound to leave going westbound onto Interstate 10. If you are going eastbound, take Highway 90 east. You may detour to Interstate 10 beyond exit 36 going eastbound or continue on Highway 90 going eastbound.
A civil authority has issued a hazardous materials warning for the following counties or areas. Calcasieu, Louisiana, at 3:32 p.m. on February 12, 2036, effective until 6:32 p.m. LCFD Ward. Residents within the 2-mile radius from the UPRR grain yard are to evacuate immediately due to a potential explosion from grain cars that contain hazardous materials and are currently on fire. Evacuate immediately.
Civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Calcasieu, Louisiana, beginning at 4:10 p.m. and ending at 6:10 p.m. An explosion from flammable hazardous materials has occurred on the UPRR yard. Evacuate immediately. Get away from the site.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Calcasieu, beginning at 7:39 a.m. and ending at 8:39 a.m. This is an all-clear order for areas within the 2-mile radius from the UPRR yard. The situation has been resolved. The fire has been contained. Residences may return home. However, be aware that a chemical odor may still linger for several days.
Attention, attention, attention.
You are watching the Blue Eagles WXR channel.